The dot dash modifier that can be applied to the grease pencil object is useful. It is easy to use, but has the disadvantage of poor performance when applied to many objects. In this video, we will implement an effect similar to the dot dash modifier using geometry nodes. Add a curve object and apply geometry nodes. There are many possible ways, but I will try to implement it using instances. When leveraging instances, add join geometry nodes to work with the curves together. Transform the cube object slightly and use it as an instance. Add a capture attribute node to use the curve spline parameter. Add a set position node and a sample curve node. Add a math node to enable animation. Added a modulo mode, which makes the animation repeat. Add an align Euler to vector node and connect the tangent value so that the instances can be aligned according to the curvature. To further increase the array spacing of instances, use the index node and modulo node.